Yeah,
Well, you be no, you won't. By the time I come back, I should change.
girl, beard and powder her chest. Yeah, girl, look good. Girl, come right out like fast teeth.
So you are going to
Perfect. Perfect.
If you want me see your baby picture fuller. If you want me see you walk on your shoulder. Tell your sexiness I multiply as you get older. Them not ready for you, them not ready for you, them not ready. Anything when they want me see you, we not that ready.
Hey guys, happy Friday. It's Friday. Me in a one good mood. I feel really lit today. I feel good. I feel nice, you know? I'm gonna turn this on before them copyright strike me, huh? But yeah, I'm feeling really good today. It's a really good day. So today I have a makeup client for my bro's video shoot for a song. You know, I honestly never know which song yet him send me it, and I'm not listen to it yet. I've been so busy. I did my hair literally like an hour ago. I literally had like no time. Like I wanted to do laundry, I wanted to do everything before I came to the shoot. But I'm just gonna see if I can go back home and do my laundry tonight. But yeah, it's a beautiful Friday. It's nice and sunny. I'm parked up at Fontana Pharmacy right now. That's where I'm must meet him. Cause I try to find my way just now. I'm just never know which part. When I said the place name, Itopia, I never know which part it there. I'm sorry. I don't know what's on. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm just here parked up waiting for him, and of course you guys know you're gonna be seeing bits and pieces of what happens today. And yeah, I don't know what I want to know for do. Y'all already know. Hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. Go ahead, follow my bro, follow me on Instagram. Also, the links will be down in the description bar, so follow up on Instagram and on Snapchat to see, you know, just random bits and pieces of our life, of course. Yeah, stay tuned, and today's vlog is about to be lit. I'm gonna go stay a song one vibe because we same soon reach. So yeah.
Alright, so so what do you free for you?
Stop.
FYAH, you see me? Yeah, yeah. Get away from me. If I was you, I'd watch what you say to me. Snakes all in my bed, wanna lay with me. This ain't no more game. Why you play with me? Don't play with me. This the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love. I love, 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 love. I love. I love, 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 love. I love. Don't play with me. This the only thing I love. I love, 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 love. I love. I love, 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 love. I love. I love, 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 love. I love. I love it when they think I'm soft, cause I'm humble. Grab the mic and say, fuck your mom, make an uncle. Top my mind, I'm not chatty, proud, man, no mumble. Everybody don't know, say jam rocks a jungle. If I think your competition, you're up on the list of people, but it dead. Pull up and leave with your head. Bury your in on the black sand. Should I compete with your bed? Who in the reverse I spit? Who no lay one piece on the rent? Couldn't wait one squeeze on your dead. Look at beers and beef on the deck. Was evident in the premonition, my permanent in any woman step on the evidence. In my etiquette, the enemy left in my presence. It's like I'm stepping this. Fucking prejudice, only in the therapy. Bars over your head. Cardio with the flex. Got more for all those who want smoke forward or just get away from.
Yeah, you're cute. You're cute. I can't stop. I can't stop. Alright guys, so that's her face when it's done. Yeah. Ooh, you see that highlight? Get out. Get out. Come a little closer. Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. Nico! Yes, baby. Yes, baby. No, I forgot to ask. I've never had. This is my first time meeting Nico, by the way.
Alright.
Shut up your mouth now. And your time. And Nico time. Bootlegrocstar, baby. Yes.
Yeah, girl.
Well, you be no, you won't. By the time I come back, I should change.
Girl, beard and pull her chest. Yeah, girl, look good. Girl, come right out like fast teeth.
So you are gonna end up.
And I hate cameras, you know. I don't do videos. You ever seen me in a video?
That is freaking true. It's true.
So you're special, bitch. This is a debut. I'm giving you an exclusive, honey. Especially new merch. Merch, social distancer. Bootlegrocstar.com, guys. So bootlegrocstarmerch.com. Would I like to know?
Yes, bitch.
Stand. Boy.
Guys, how dope is this painting? The boss. I love it. And it's super neat too. I'm in this shoot. Dog.
Yo, Bob. See next one. Hold it. Yeah. Bad. He send screenshots all the time.
That's nice.
Resume. So we late.
Yeah, always a nice guy.
We late. This nigga is a fucking camera slut.
This half.
Wait.
What are Alright, that one.
For the rolling? Okay, girl.
Yeah, Rihanna made that a good thing. Dude. Watch him fierce.
She's with child.
Don't do it.
Okay, right.
Switch side. You know, switch side.
Me and her.
Oh, yeah, what? Yeah.
Royal, let's give it to me. Royal.
This is the entrance to that apartment complex. Oh, shit.
Fucking thing on the wall.
Stop it, Royal.
A pickle light on my eye.
You see that? Yes.
She's a middle like it. Goosebumps to the skin every time she blush. I think she's slightly coming close.
I'm out here, so weird. I actually want to get ready to leave because it's already after 3 to 4, and you guys know how it is when you try to get out of Kingston at certain time, and it's a Friday, so I know that extra rough. Look outside, look on the traffic out the door, like dead ass. But then I'm not able at all. I got some cute pictures today, but yeah, I'm gonna finish pack up the rest of my stuff them now. The makeup kit is already in the car. I'm gonna pack up the rest of my stuff. I told you guys that I did my hair this morning, right? Like literally this morning I'm just flinging back them hair. I know somebody's gonna ask me for a tutorial. I was trying to do a snap tutorial for you guys this morning, but it never worked out. So I'm gonna just use the bathroom now and leave. I was trying to get some food for my mom and Marla and them, but everywhere started lock off at this point, so I don't really think that's gonna happen. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm home.
Them the urban, them throwback 2009 down, yeah. I know the original, the clone that. My sound, I red nose, car clone that. So nobody can catch a well. Run up on the target again. Whoa. The devil is broke again. Yeah, I'ma walk with a belt. Bang bang. Some things in the industry living shit off of the kidding me, thinking as sick as me. I do this for the fun from the beginning. If me for quit, that's like killing me, picking it. And that's impossible. So sick I dream about hospitals. Yeah, but my somewhere in it obvious. I would just kill everything and say adios. Affy bus. Like a lit dynamite or a sell out a Safi bus. Affy bus. If you want beef with a potty truck, you cannot manage us. Dead. Cardio with the flex. Got more for all those who want smoke forward or just get away from me. If I was you, I'd watch what you say to me. Snakes all in my bed.
Hi guys, so reach home. Say hey. Hi guys. I'm having some chicken teriyaki. I'm gonna get panda shoot. Stop now. So right now I'm gonna just eat this. Because I'm reaching. My bear, stop. Did you miss me? So I'm just going to finish eating this and then that's it for the rest of the evening. I'm gonna edit. Yeah. But it was a good day, Royal. Big up yourself. Yeah. You want some? A regular rice, mommy. I just rice and put sesame seeds fine. A chicken, no. All I do I make it different. Taste it. A chicken.
What? I don't want chicken.
Taste good. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Check out the link to Royal's official video will be down in the description bar. So go ahead and click that. Show my brother some love. Marla. Show my brother some love. Follow him on Instagram. And also follow me on Instagram, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.
Next time.